Right guys, we're back with Listicles. So this is going to be a super simple one just because it is super simple to do and it doesn't take that much skill, to be honest. So we're going to be making a landing page that looks similar to this. And this is what we call a listicle. Now this is like a type of advertorial. Now what is an advertorial? An advertorial is an ad that looks like an editorial. What is an editorial? It's like the things that you see in blogs, like exactly like this. 5 reasons why this coffee is on everyone's New Year wish list. That doesn't look like a sales page. This doesn't look like a sales page, but then when we get down here, boom, sales page. Right, and that's why these things work really well. They work really good for certain brands and you need to know what type of ads to run to them, but they can be super powerful. And at a certain level of scale for an e-com brand, they need to test out things like this because this could be the thing that unlocks that next level of growth for them. And they're super easy to set up and super easy to design, which I'm going to show you as well. But let's go ahead and write the copy. This is exactly what we're going to be doing. So I've got my brand brief for our sleep product. You've got this listicle. You've got all the project files down below. You just need to create this in Claude. And then what I'm going to do is just say, write so this is where you normally do 5, 7, or 10. So 5 reasons why, or 7 reasons why, or 10 reasons why, or top 10 things that, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to do, write a 7-step listicle for this offer. And this is going to write this out for us. Now you see why this is going to be a really short lesson, because it does not take much to actually get these out. 7 reasons why this $47 sleep supplement is finally giving exhausted professionals. Oh, it's a bit long. Now, I made this specifically like this. You'll see that each bullet is massive, right? Now, I've done that for a reason, because what you want is more copy so that you can cut it down. Typically, I would never just take this and put this into a full thing, because there's just too much copy in it. Look at that, and then look at this. It's a lot shorter, and you need to remember that this is going to be viewed on mobile mostly, so you need to keep that in mind. But let's actually just let it finish, and then we'll put it into here. And I'll show you exactly how I would edit it. Bum, 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 bum. The first thing that I'm thinking here is this is too long. Right, 7 reasons why this $47 sleep supplement is helping. Let's actually just use AI. Give me 10 new headlines shorter. This. So you can give it a word count, but typically I'll just give it and then see what it comes out with. That one's quite good. Right, so I'm going to give you another quick lesson here. See if I was to use this. 7 why the sleep supplement works when melatonin failed. 7 science-backed reasons. That's really good, right? What awareness level is people at here? Right, 5 awareness levels. What awareness level would these people be at? These people would be at solution aware. They know they've got a sleep problem. They're already problem aware. They know that they've got a sleep problem, and they're solution aware because they've tried other things. They've tried melatonin. Now, a majority of people who have got a sleep problem, they know that they've got a sleep problem. I've had a sleep problem before, still kind of struggle with it now. You know that you've got a sleep problem. That in this industry, in this problem, in this market, you know that you've got a sleep problem. And 95% of people have tried something. They've tried the meditation apps at night. They've tried blue light blockers. They've tried supplements. They've tried melatonin. Melatonin is one of the most powerful, one of the most popular things that people have tried. So what we're seeing here, this sleep supplement works even if you've tried melatonin before. Boom. So that's actually, we've in 10 seconds, we've made this listicle 100 times more powerful. What would make it even more powerful is if we were using static ads, right? So imagine we've got this sleep supplement that's sitting on this side, and we've got 3 bullets with ticks, and then on the left we've got melatonin and a little photo of melatonin and why that doesn't work. And then they click this ad, and then they come to this. It's so congruent. It's calling out their exact problem. They're probably going, oh fuck, I've tried melatonin loads of times. Why isn't this working? They're much more likely to buy. So how would we, right? You've been popping, but you're still lying awake. Then when you finally drift off. Right, so we could get rid of this part. Boom. Making that shorter. Right away. Boom. Take that down to 3 steps. Get rid of this. The hidden reason keeping you up at 3 AM and how to fix it for good. Here's what happens. Your cortisol, dream sleep, has ashwagandha, unlike actually help retain. Get rid of that. Boom. Or your sleep problems. So as you can see, I'm just cutting this down because we don't need all of this copy. Boom, take that away. There, stop using the problem. Right. There. Take that away. Boom. There. We've got the weeks. Month 2 and 3. There. There, and then we've got a little offer. Now this is obviously a lot of copy. Sometimes you don't need all of this stuff. Like this is like a perfect example of how to do it. You know what I mean? You've got a few bullets, so let's look at how we could do that. We could have the headline like that, a little sub-headline like that. We've got this, what you get. So we could actually just have this as like a bullet there, like above it. Then we could have like product image there, key benefits, and then I would get rid of, I just want 3. Now you can do whatever you want here, I'm just putting 3 just for the sake of it. Then we've got the cost there. You can keep all this stuff, but there, boom. And then you would put all of this kind of copy into something that looks like this. And then that's you. You have literally just made a listicle. Very simple, very easy. Like I said, you just need to work out which ad this is coming from, you know, what awareness level. That's what you should be doing for all your copy at all times anyway. But that is listicles, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.